Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best astrology book is probably one of the most fascinating and insightful tools for understanding the cosmos and its influence on our lives, offering a unique lens through which to explore personality traits, relationships, and future possibilities, making it an indispensable companion for anyone seeking self-discovery and a deeper connection with the universe. Number 5. Crystals for Beginners, Healing Power Guide. Embark on a journey to discover the gentle energy of crystals. This guide is designed to help you understand their healing properties and how to use them. Are you new to the world of crystals? We'll walk you through the basics, making it simple to begin your practice. Explore the unique vibrations that each crystal possesses. Learn how these natural wonders can support your well-being and bring balance to your life. Getting started is easier than you think. We provide clear, actionable steps to help you integrate crystals into your daily routine. Tap into the ancient wisdom of crystal healing. Discover how these beautiful stones can be a powerful tool for personal growth and holistic health. What we like. This book is your perfect starting point for understanding crystals. It covers the fundamental properties and how to use them for healing. If you're new to the world of crystals and want a simple, accessible guide, this is the one for you. What people say. This book is just informative and straightforward. The author comes across as a warm, friendly, super knowledgeable friend sharing what she knows with you. There is no buy this very expensive one you must. Yada yada yada. Instead, there is look around and find out. Figure out what works for you and go from there. Plus, you'll learn a lot. Do you know what entrainment is? I did not, until I read it here. Mood contagion, basically. I was not aware that crystals could be grouped by lattice pattern. Orthorhombic is a diamond-shaped pattern, for instance. The concept of piezoelectricity is fascinating. Tetrahedron aka pyramid shape, there's one for trivia night. This book is packed with information and insight. Solid beginner crystal book. Given as a gift multiple times and the recipient is always happy. Beautiful photos and great explanations. Covers a lot of material including starting a collection, crystals for healing, and increasing their power. Individual crystal info pages cover brief descriptions in use, origin, lattice, shapes, energy, color, chakra, placement, and various usage tips. The book takes a more scientific approach in the beginning. It explains in a clear way with beautiful images everything a beginner needs to know about crystals, the main ones, and an overview of many others. Number 4. Chakra Healing, Beginner's Guide. Discover the ancient art of chakra healing. This guide will introduce you to simple techniques for balancing your energy centers and promoting well-being. Learn practical self-healing methods designed for beginners. You'll gain the tools to understand and harmonize your body's energy flow. Explore the 7 main chakras and how they influence your physical and emotional health. We'll show you how to bring them into alignment. Embark on a transformative journey towards greater peace and vitality. This beginner's guide makes complex concepts accessible and actionable. Start your path to self-discovery and holistic health today. It's easier than you think to achieve balance and feel your best. What we like. Unlock the power of your own energy centers with this guide. It provides practical techniques for balancing your chakras through self-healing. If you're looking to improve your overall well-being and understand your body's energy flow, this book is an excellent choice. What people say. This book provides basic foundational knowledge on the chakras, meditations, stones, reflections, and the mind-body connections. One of the exercises she recommends is trying to feel the energy flow by using your hands to sense the flow of energy by moving your hands closer together and wider apart while in a relaxed state. This is written in easy-to-understand language, and she doesn't bombard you with too much info all at once. It provides various techniques and methods you can use to awaken and balance your chakras, which makes it easier to heal whatever it is that may be troubling you. Number 3. The Secret Language of Birthdays Personology Guide. Ever wondered what your birthday truly means? Discover the hidden personality traits and life paths associated with your special day. This comprehensive guide covers every single day of the year. It offers unique insights tailored to each specific date. Gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the people around you. Learn how your birth date influences your character and relationships. It's the ultimate resource for anyone interested in personology. Explore the fascinating connection between birth dates and personality. This is your complete personology guide, offering detailed insights for each day. It's an essential tool for self-discovery. What we like. Discover the unique personality traits associated with each day of the year. This offers a deep dive into individual characteristics and potential. If you're fascinated by how your birthday influences your life and want personalized insights, this book will be incredibly revealing. What people say. It breaks down personality traits, strengths, and quirks for every single day of the year with uncanny accuracy. The book connects astrological influences with real-life experiences. The descriptions of personality traits are detailed and insightful. This book is amazing. It often really seems to capture the essential nature and habits of individuals born on a specific day. Everyone who has looked themselves up so far has been impressed with the accuracy. Number 2. Astrology Guide, Understand Yourself and Your Birth Chart. Discover the ancient wisdom of astrology. Learn how the stars can illuminate your path and reveal your unique potential. Dive deep into the 12 zodiac signs. Understand their core traits and how they influence your personality and relationships. Explore the power of your personalized birth chart. See how planetary positions at your birth shape your destiny and life experiences. Gain profound insights into your strengths, challenges, and life purpose. This guide empowers you to navigate life with greater clarity and confidence. Learn how astrological compatibility can enhance your connections with others. Understand the dynamics in your relationships on a deeper level. Embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery. This comprehensive guide is your key to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos and your own inner world. What we like. This comprehensive guide demystifies the world of astrology for you. Learn to understand yourself, your zodiac sign, and how to read your birth chart. If you're eager to gain profound self-awareness and understand the celestial influences on your life, this is the definitive resource. What people say. Author explains each aspect of the zodiac and the correlation to the astronomy. It gives a good foundation of astrology, covers everything from the houses, signs, planets, placements, elements and modalities, to dignities and debilities, asteroids, both nodes, progressions, and even an insightful and fun section with a sun sign focused section on your calling and love. She makes sure to indicate you have to look into house, planet, sign and aspect, basically the whole chart to make a deeper connection. One of my favorite parts is she shifts away from gender norms and instead focuses on being inclusive, and replacing masculine and feminine with day inhale yang for masculine because we inhale all the energy we need for our day, and night exhale yin for feminine, because we exhale and release at night and go inward until the next day. Number 1. Astrology, the Library of Esoterica. Discover the ancient wisdom of the stars. Explore the celestial map and understand its influence on your life. This comprehensive guide delves into the depths of astrological knowledge. Learn about planetary movements and their meanings. Gain profound insights into your personality and destiny. Uncover the unique patterns that shape your journey. Journey through the mystical and esoteric aspects of astrology. Expand your understanding of the universe and your place within it. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, this library offers an unparalleled resource for astrological study. What we like. Dive into a beautifully curated collection of astrological knowledge. This offers an expansive and visually rich exploration of esoteric concepts. If you appreciate detailed, artistic presentations and want to delve deeper into the mystical side of astrology, this library is a treasure. What people say. The book itself is very surface level as far as facts go, but very rich in terms of visuals and symbolism. This book would be a good introduction to anyone new to the subject of astrology, as it doesn't overwhelm the reader with too much information. This book contains knowledge that somehow all the other books seem to lack. This book captures the ethereal and timeless nature of astrology. Not only is the book big, it is very thick, 520 pages to be exact, in a hardcover frame. This is the most beautiful book I have ever purchased. It is extremely informative while also looking like a beautiful coffee table book. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.